Hey everyone, this is Sneha and you're watching Sneha and Soumya. Here is a very fun mathematical number puzzle for you. The puzzle is that you just start out with three identical copies of each number and you need to make it equal to 6. The puzzle is that to make each equation true using common mathematical operation. And if you don't know what is an equation, you can watch my video which I've been presented previously. I'll just give the link on the I button. And you are going to solve it from 0, 0, 0 equal to 6, so on till 10, 10, 10 equal to 6. And here are two rules to solve the equations. The first one is you cannot introduce a new digit. For example, you cannot introduce a cube root of any number, which is not allowed in this puzzle. And the second one is you must have the result which is equal to 6. You cannot use not equal to sign in any of the equation. I want to present a note. My videos will make you so smart that even difficult problems like this will become an easy for you. So, can you figure it out? Give this puzzle a try and when you are ready, keep watching my video for the solution. Before I explain, subscribe my channel for no new videos. And before solving, here is another note. Some of the equations have multiple answers. I'm only going to present only some solutions that you might have found the other creative method. Now let's everyone know this in the comments. We will start with an easy, then go to the harder one. Are you ready? Okay, then let me know in the comments. We'll start with an easy one first and then move forward for the harder one. So we'll start first with 2, 2, 2 equal to 6. Here we can solve it very easily like 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. We'll write the main answer aside so that we can understand which we have been found or which still we need to find. Next, moving forward, 3, 3, 3 equal to 6, where we can write root 3 into 3 plus 3 equal to 6, which is root 9 plus 3 equal to 6, which is 3 plus 3 equal to 6, or in simply 3 factorial into 3 by 3 equal to 6. Let me write it apart. The next we'll take it as 6, 6, 6 equal to 6. This is so simple. We can write it as 6 plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 6 or 6 into 6 by 6. For the presentation, let me take the first equation which is 6 plus 6 minus 6 equal to 6. Moving forward, let me take 5, 5, 5 equal to 6. Now we can solve it as 5 plus 5 minus 5 by 5 equal to 6. We can write it as 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Let it write apart. So, is the equations easy? Then like this video. Now we'll take as 7, 7, 7 equal to 6. We can write it as 7 minus 7 by 7 equal to 6, which is 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Now let me take 9, 9, 9 equal to 6. We know that root of 9, let us take the square root of each of the 9 so that our problem get reduced to 333 equal to 6 because as previously we know that root 9 equal to 3. So which we have been solved previously, so our solution will also be applied to this 999 once we have applied the square root of each 9's. So we can write the equation as, so guys, we can write the equation as root of 9 into root of 9 minus root of 9. root 9 into root of 9 minus root 9 equal to 6. The other one where we can express as root 9 into root 9 by 9 whole factorial. So let me take it as the first equation for the presentation. Now moving forward for 4 equal to 6. Again we have the same trick of using the square root for all of the 4's. Since root 4 equal to 2, we can reduce the problem to 2 equal to 6, which has been previously solved. So we can write the equation as root 4 plus root 4 plus root 4 equal to 6. Or the other way we can write it as root 4 minus 4 by 4 whole factorial. For the simplification, I'll just take the first equation. Now moving forward, we'll take it as 10 equal to 6. We can take it as, first we'll take 10 minus 10 by 10. Then now take the square root of whole. We can write it as square root of 10 minus 10 by 10, which will give you 3. Then take the whole factorial. So 10 minus square root of 10 minus 10 by 10 whole factorial equal to 6. We'll write it apart. Now moving forward for 1 equal to 6. Now we can take it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 6. Now let's take the factorial of whole, where we can take it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole factorial. Let's write it. Now how can we solve as 0 equal to 6? The first will take it as factorial of each zeros, where we know as 0 factorial equal to 1. The problem again is reduced to 1 equal to 6, which is previously solved. So we are just going to add up all these numbers so that you get the equation as 0 factorial. Let me write it. 0 factorial plus 0 factorial plus 0 factorial. Now let's take 8 equal to 6. Now how do we solve it? Many people consider this as the hardest one. So we'll write it as 8, leave with space and then write 8 plus 8 equal to 6. Now first we'll take the square root of 8 plus 8. Now let me write it, where we get as root 16. Now root 16 equal to 4. Now we'll take one more square root of root 8 plus 8. So, which will give you root 16 equal to 2. We'll take it as 8 minus root 8 plus 8, which is 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Hence proved. And the other way, then the simplest way to solve this as we can do in 8 plus 8 by 8 equal to 6, which will give you 9. So take the square root of 9, where it gives you 3. Then take the factorial of 3, which is equal to 6. Because previously we have been saw that factorial of 3 equal to 6. So we can write the equation as root 8 plus 8 by 8 whole factorial equal to 6. So that's it, how we figured out how we get 6 into all of the equations. So friends, this is all about this video. Thanks for watching and meet you all in my next video. Thank you and subscribe channel, like, share, comment. Meet you. Bye bye.